Hi, this is Rajkumar Pal, and this is my day 3 of 1 to 3 challenge, and where I have to make a video. Whatever I doing or whatever I'm learning, everything comes under this preference. So today I'm going to talk about something about artificial intelligence, and my first experience with artificial intelligence, that is a chat GPT. Back then in 2022, I guess in November or December, there has been a open AI entrance in the market, which is open to all of us to take advantage and be the part of revolution in the tech industry. And for I think 6 to 7 months, I am totally unaware of that. I'm always seeing or hearing from social media that chat GPT is this, AI is going to disrupt every industry, the jobs is going to crashing everything, and I get panic also. So I did what's the hell is going on, what is the chat GPT, let us check it out. So I don't know, I don't remember how to use it, where to find it, anything I didn't know. But one day I'm scrolling through the LinkedIn post, and one of my friend has said something regarding chat GPT, and on that day I little taken a serious note that, oh, why this is very amazing thing, that it is spitting like a spitting like a multi-dimensional machine in when it's come to writing. So I'm become very curious, and then after I started thinking about that and started searching about that. But the first experience I'm going to have is that I asked some basic questions, like please give me the table of attendance, how to make attendance in a table format, like that. And I'm amazed by the result, and then slowly I'm getting so much of curiosity that, oh my god, this is very dangerous thing as well as the good thing, and lot of hype is going there around those time that AI industry is going to disrupt all the job marketplace and all the automation works and everything. So little bit I have a concern on that. There is a articles in Time magazines or in the HBR or in the what I can say, that lot of famous publications had said something prediction about the use of AI and this application in our day-to-day life, as well as in the business, as well as in the job market. And I'm become little bit very what can I say, I will little bit getting very anxious, even though a little bit of trigger and pressure. Oh my god, this is very too is amazing. And then I thought, once after going through the lot of reading articles and hearing from the experts, everything is that beyond that. So now it's become the our part of the AI, because AI is not going forever from our lives. It's become like a Microsoft Excels, or like a PowerPoint, right, Word, everything. We have to be learn. We have to adapt this disruption, because when it's come to disruption, anything suddenly comes and wiped out everything from nowhere. This is the effect of disruption, and the consequence is the one thing that is going to affect all aspect of on people's life and the way of working, even in the multi-dimensional disciplinary, not in the education, not in the industry, not in the business, in the politics, in the government, in the institutions, in the corporation, in the organization, everything is going to covered by that. Because when it's come to revolution and disruptions, we think that I will little bit share my perspective on the disruptions, where the initially, when our farming age or the agriculture revolution is not happening, at that time what happens is that the machinery will entered from the British Empire, and they introduced the labor cost. They are reduced by the aggregating the machinery in the farming industry, in the manufacturing industry, and so that's how the labor work has been eliminated or become so lower level, so that machines can do. Then after, there is a uh, white kranti, I guess. White kranti is, there is a milk or dairy business, or the dairy businesses is revolutionize the way what we are used to do in the dairy farm or everything else. Third revolution is comes when Microsoft launches its software program in the workplace, where we gradually transitions from the paperwork or filing work, the manual segregation or accumulation or automation of the workflows is disrupted by the launching of the Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, everything. And then after there is a revolution of the cell phones, or we can say that the technology in the comes of Android, or the our technology becomes in a pocket, and that's revolutionize the way of communication. Not only the communication, the initial work of the any cell phone work is they used to have a conversation on the basis of the telecommunication interface to the satellites and everything, but they added the few features which is going to which revolutionizes the way we can operating, and then the online buying, online shopping, social media craze, online website, everything is comes under the pocket. And this is the time where cell phone gets revolutionized and disrupt the television industry, radio industry, telecommunication industry. Even the print media industry also has been affected due to the social media news, because earlier we come across the any news, breaking news from the mouth to mouth publication or the word to word publication or through any printed media, but now it's become the matter of the fact that anything happens in the around the world, we are going to know within a few seconds, or within a minutes we are going to know. And gradually, initially the AI is restricted or the area of the field where very few people like researchers, scientists, or the fellowship members who are researchers who are who are working on the behind the scene under the control or restriction of the government institutions, and they are figuring out, working out on the artificial intelligence technology, and they experimenting them, and whether they are in a illusion or the delusion or the dilemma that whether it is harmful or it is advantageous for our humankind. But the Sam Altman has decided to launch on a full-fledged and introduce the open AI full-fledged openly for the every people. Anyone can use, anyone can learn. And what they disrupt is that they disrupt the industry of like writing, like the publications, like the content creation, or even they are disrupted in the searching media, like a Google search, all other binge search, or the what I can say is Wikipedia, encyclopedia, everything they have disrupted. And but not last but least, but there is a 2 years gone back since the AI is launched, and various tools and has been launched in every month. Even nowadays it is become in every week, and they are specialized, they are immersed more than a human mind or the human being as a collective knowledge. And this is the main concerns we have to take concern about that, because every disruption has a bad effect and has a good effect. And if we operate from the rigid mindset or the rigid philosophy or ideology of our work and our working lifestyle, and if we are not going to adapt our AI technology, then it will going to remove our job, not in a present moment, but in a near future it will going to challenge us in a very multi-dimensional way. So we have to become familiar with the AI technology, and definitely they are going to eliminate the automation work or the monotonous work or the data entry work, or the work where one man is working on the data, handling data, or managing some monotonous task, or the project task that is going to be affected by this AI technology. So this is my first experience, and my experience with gradually I have searched in, I have went into that, I have get some insight. Even I have used for a lot of things, for the mail, sending mail, writing mail. And once I have, after the 6 to 7 month of happening, I tried to write a mail through ChatGPT, and I told my manager, and my manager is going was shocked that this is amazing thing. And I have told my one of few friend who are very not so good in English, and they become so happy, and they tried using ChatGPT. And so this is the initial stage. So before it is going to bang on our working style or our job or our expertise, and we must amplify the learning of AI for not for our elimination but for our beneficials. Thanks.